Kaya tayo nawawala ng gana ay sapagkat akala na natin ay nakatuntong na tayo sa mundo. We are stepping on the world and the world is under our control. We think that the office is under our control. We think that the city is under our control. We think that the children are under your control. We think that you're in control of life. And you know where that leads you? To depression. Kasi darating at darating yung pagkakataong malalaman mo na hindi mo pwedeng kontrolin ang kahit ano. Hindi mo pwedeng kontrolin ang kahit sino. Hindi mo pwedeng panghawakan at hawakan ang kahit sino. Because the longer we grip, the longer we control, the more we lose control. And the more we lose control, the less the energy is. And then, we fall into sadness, we fall into melancholy, we fall into loneliness. More jealousy, more envy, more anger, more disappointment. What's wrong? Balikan natin ang Ebanghelyo. Sila rin takot. Sila rin pagod. Sila rin wala ng gana. Paano nila naibalik yung gana? Paano nila naibalik yung sigla? Paano? Nakita nila na mayroong mas malaki kaysa sa kanila. Nakita nila na mayroong mas malaki kaysa sa kanilang pangarap. And it is the Lord.